Welcome back to my channel. As part of the Marchintosh celebration, I want to present my Powerbook 180C, the color version of the Powerbook. This was the crown jewel of the 180 series, surpassing the 165C because this had a 8.4 color active matrix display. This computer in particular has been maxed out, cleaned up, and upgraded as much as possible. As you may realize, or maybe not, there's no noise in this computer. That's because the internal drive has been replaced by an SSD. Also, the external power supply, not pictured, has been replaced by a modern Sony power supply. Even with the SSD, it still takes a long time to boot. The color screen in this computer is beautiful. As you can see, it has maximized the memory to 16 megs and is using System 7.6. It plays games very nicely and sounds very good, as you may see next.
Hey, this is not a test. This is rock and roll.
I also replaced the coin-size battery, the one that saves the parameters, with a brand new one. You can see how it's done in one of my old videos. Last thing I want to show is one of the big problems these computers have, the battery. With the help of a friend of the local computer group, we created a 3D printed battery holder with batteries. He did a great job recreating the battery and also putting inside new rechargeable batteries. They last about an hour in the color Powerbooks and like 4 or 5 hours in the black and white ones. They have to be recharged outside. The computer cannot charge them, but maybe we can solve that later. Well, there you have it, my pride and joy. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye, and happy Marchintosh!